Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is me, Wajidullah. I have studied Political Science 1 for BS and BA students. So, this is very beneficial for you. Today, we'll discuss the nature of political science, and in this topic, we will cover the meaning of political science and the definition of political science. So, let's get started on another slide. Let's see the meaning of political science. The term political science is the combination of two words, political and science. So, political, the word political has been derived from Greek words polis, which means city or state. Science means systematic study. So science means systematic study. So if we see the meaning of political science is the systematic study of city or state. Further elaborate this concept. So political science is the systematic study of or city state or state related institution, government, legislature, executive and judiciary, political parties, pressure group, etc. So Aristotle was the first Greek philosopher and political scientist who made scientific study about the life and activity of city-state and its country in his famous book Politics. So the term political science is came into usage in 19th century. The academic definition of political science. Political science is the study of all the facts and situations which are directly and indirectly connected with, with or revolved around one point the state. Hence, all the matter regarding religious, economic, social, intellectual, or cultural life fall within the purview of political science if they are anyway connected with state. Thank you so much for watching my lecture.